Here's an EOS 1 that doesn't get used much, and when you hit the shutter you get the BC error. You can just reset it by turning off the camera, try it again, BC error. Oh, there we go, comes back anyways. So easy, quick way to fix this is simply getting a very strong magnet. Well, in this case, I've got 2 strong magnets. And just hold it up to this area here. Oh, look, it already went. Now we got no more air. These magnets can be bought at some craft stores, hardware stores, wherever. Just a strong magnet and your problem is fixed.